I think you should go a little bit above and beyond the ordinary ham sandwich and pick up a few ingredients like this muffalata olive salad. It's a spread that you can find at the grocery store already prepared. Then layer up some Parmesan cheese on top, or Asiago for that salty kick. Don't just slap down your ham. You want to leave it folded with some air bubbles. Add some lettuce. Some of that creamy French burrata really gives it those gourmet vibes. A little sprinkle of salt and pepper, and then thinly slice up some really nice red tomatoes. These are just cherry tomatoes. Any size is fine. Throw a little salad on top with some more chopped lettuce, a little drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar, some basil leaves, and then a little balsamic glaze to seal the deal. This is definitely a toothpick sandwich. It is so good. You can find it on my site, sitbyco.com. It's called the Ham Burrata and Muffalata Olive Salad Sandwich. Definitely sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list to get inspired with new things to cook. Cheers!